Hello everyone, welcome to Hisam Academy with Sumul Rizvi. If you are learning English and want to speak more fluently and naturally, then shadowing is one of the most powerful techniques you can use. But what is shadowing? Shadowing is a language learning method where you listen to a native or fluent speaker and repeat what they say, almost at the same time, like an echo. You are not just repeating words, you are copying the pronunciation, rhyme, tone, and natural flow of speech. It's just like how actors rehearse lines or how singers practice by mimicking their favorite artist. Now, why is shadowing helpful? Because it helps you improve your pronunciation and intonation. Get used to the natural pace and rhyme of English. Train your mouth and brain to produce English sounds more automatically. And build speaking confidence by reducing hesitation and self doubt. This technique is especially good if you do not live in an English speaking environment but want to sound more natural and fluent. Now, what are we practicing today? In today's video, we will be practicing a short everyday conversation and a mini story in English. We'll imagine a simple situation, like you are having a friendly chat with someone about your day, what you did, how your morning went, and maybe planning a casual meetup. Here's how we'll do it. I'll say each line twice, first slowly and clearly so you can hear each word. Then at a natural speaking speed, like how native speakers talk in real life. Your job is to repeat after me. Try to match my pronunciation, my tone, and my speed as closely as you can. Don't worry if you don't get it perfect the first time. You can always replay the video and practice again. Alright, ready to begin? Let's start with our first section, a short friendly conversation you might have with someone in your daily life. Things to do today at home. I have a lot to do at home today. I have a lot to do at home today. First, I need to clean the kitchen. First, I need to clean the kitchen. The sink is full of dishes from last night. The sink is full of dishes from last night. I will also wipe down the counters and sweep the floor. I'll also wipe down the counters and sweep the floor. After that, I want to organize my closet. After that, I want to organize my closet. There are clothes I haven't worn in years. There are clothes I haven't worn in years. I will probably donate the ones I don't need. I'll probably donate the ones I don't need. Around noon, I will take a break and make lunch. Around noon, I'll take a break and make lunch. I am thinking of making something simple like pasta or a sandwich. I am thinking of making something simple like pasta or a sandwich. In the afternoon, I want to read a book or watch a documentary. In the afternoon, I want to read a book or watch a documentary. I am trying to stay off social media for a while. I am trying to stay off social media for a while. Finally, in the evening, I will do a short workout. Finally, in the evening, I'll do a short workout. Just some stretching, yoga, or a quick walk. Just some stretching, yoga, or a quick walk. It feels good to have a productive day at home. It feels good to have a productive day at home. Well done! You did an amazing job. Part 2 is story time. Yesterday I woke up late because my alarm didn't ring. Yesterday I woke up late because my alarm didn't ring. I rushed to get ready and skipped breakfast. I rushed to get ready and skipped breakfast. When I got to the bus stop, the bus had already left. When I got to the bus stop, the bus had already left. I had to wait 15 minutes for the next one. I had to wait 15 minutes for the next one. I finally arrived at work, a little out of breath. I finally arrived at work, a little out of breath. My boss was kind and said, "Don't worry, it happens." My boss was kind and said, "Don't worry, it happens." The rest of the day went pretty smoothly. The rest of the day went pretty smoothly. I worked on a project and helped a new colleague. I worked on a project and helped a new colleague. At lunch, I had a great sandwich from a nearby cafe. At lunch, I had a great sandwich from a nearby cafe. After work, I went to the gym and did a short workout. After work, I went to the gym and did a short workout. In the evening, I watched a movie and relaxed. In the evening, I watched a movie and relaxed. Even though my day started badly, it ended well. Even though my day started badly, it ended well. Great job, guys! You have just completed 5 minutes of English shadowing. Repeat this video often to improve your speaking and confidence. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment telling me what topics you want next. See you all next time. Bye bye.